Enter your unique username. If the Drive app shows the wrong database name, you can enter the correct database in Options. Otherwise, tap Next. Enter your password. Tap Login. You will first be asked to select a vehicle. A list of previously used and nearby vehicles will auto-populate. If your vehicle isn't listed, you can search by vehicle name, VIN, or Go device serial number. Select the vehicle from the list. You may also select No Vehicle at the bottom of the page if you do not require a vehicle today. Next, you can add optional equipment like trailers. You can tap the plus to add trailers and other equipment. Select which trailers to add. Use the search to find trailers not on the list. If the desired trailer does not exist, tap Add to create the trailer in your database. If you're not able to add a new trailer, contact your administrator. Tap Continue to add the selected trailers. Tap Save and Continue when finished adding trailers. Be aware that there is a limit of 7 trailers. Once your vehicle and any trailers are selected, you'll land on the main dashboard. Note that the visible tiles and layout may vary depending on your specific user configuration and company settings. The dashboard provides quick access to key functions like messages, trip classification, routes, and fuel receipts. You can find these same navigation options in the bottom toolbar. Tap More to see a few customization options. You can adjust settings like toggling dark mode on or off. Dark mode applies to the entire Drive app until turned off. Tap Dashboard to return to the main screen. Tap the vehicle icon tile to change vehicles or trailers. Tap the X to remove that trailer. Use the plus to add trailers. Tap the X to switch vehicles. You can select a new vehicle or tap No Vehicle to use Drive app without a vehicle. Tap the question mark icon in the top toolbar to open the in-app help. Access documentation and tutorials. Tap the X to close the in-app help. The bell icon shows any notifications, while the caution icon indicates a connection issue with Drive app. We recommend investigating any connection issues. Tap the question mark icon for more information about the connection issue. Tap your name to log out. Tap Log Out. Tap the X to disconnect from the assigned trailer, or tap Save and Continue to keep the trailer assigned to this vehicle. Either option completes your log out. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to log in and out and basic navigation.